Hello guys, a new mining application for Szabo coin. One Szabo coin it's equal to 0.0018 USDT. Like we see, this is the speed in megahertz and the speed in Szabo per hour. How to get this speed and maximize your earning by get boost and watch video. Also watch video and speed boost by 0.00515 megahertz. You will find my referral code in the description to get a bonus of set 5 Szabo. Like we see, different ways of payment. You will get payment in USDT, like we see for PayPal. There is a minimum of 215 Szabo for per year on Rubel, for Kiwi, for per year also in USD in dollars, for minimum 15 Szabo. We will use a script. The link of script will be in description. We just need the ID of the application. We will use HTTP canary to get the ID of the application and put it in the config file. After downloading the script, you unzip, you will find a config file. You put your ID of the application and start the script. Do the short link and the script starting. It will claim Szabo and boost your speed also. We select our application in HTTP canary. The link of application will be in the description. We open just the application. Now we go to application, to the HTTP canary. Like you see, this is Ethereum. We press in this one, we press in request, we press in text, we see here, we press in row, we go to we don't find here, we press in seconds, we see request. Like we see, we press in seconds, we see request. We get our ID. This is the ID of your, we select this number. This is the ID of your application. You just copy and put in the script. This is our script. After downloading and unzipping the script, we go to, we open with Geek editor. The link of application will be in description. We go to setup.php, we press in, and we select this one, and we put our and we press here in the like that, and press here to save changes, and it's done. Your script will work and work well. Like you see, this the script, it's work like that. When you open, it will ask you for complete short link and get password. You complete short link and get password, and then script will start like that. Don't modify anything, don't do anything, just let the script start like that. It will collect for you. Don't forget to put my referral code to get 5 Szabo for free. This is our video today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another mining video.